Hi friends, welcome to another pour. Another blue and yellow pour. This one I didn't intend for it to be a blue and gold pour. I wanted it to be cow colors, but it ended up looking more like Ukraine type stuff. But before I get started, I wanted to show you the final piece. I don't know if you've seen terbium, which is one of my pours. And so it didn't, I mean, it looked pretty awesome when I finished it, but I wasn't sure how it was going to dry because I thought it was going to be super dark, but it actually is super stunning. Fantastic. Let me see if I can take you in closer. Look at this shimmer. It's so gorgeous, so beautiful. And it has enough contrast, enough shimmer. I mean, there's like something for everyone in this piece. So I just kind of wanted to show you this dry piece. I'm gonna try to do a clip on all the most recent pours, the dry results, because lately I haven't been posting the dry results with the video. So here's one of them. Once again, this is terbium. Okay, so let's get started with today's pour. But more or less. So I'm going to do a puddle in the middle. This fluorescent yellow. Alright, and then let me get my open cup. Oh no, last time I used it, I didn't make sure that I wasn't touching anything. It dried weird. Okay. Take off. Trying to take off. The imperfections. Okay. Here we go. So the first color I'm going to put in is some gold. Then I'm going to put in some, that wasn't gold, some actual 24 karat gold. Okay, now we're going to put in some of this fantastic glue. Okay, some more gold. Okay, and then some more of the phthalo blue. Going with phthalo blue. More of this yellow. Okay, finish that one. Going with some of this yellow. So it's a flip cup. Was it a pink grenade? It's kind of a pink grenade, kind of. So I was going for cow colors, aka Ukraine colors. I mean, not that Cal is Ukraine or Ukraine is Cal, but they share the colors. And of course, I got some blending. So, and I think the blending happens with that fluorescent yellow. It's still a beautiful color, so I'm still gonna use it, but I'll just have to be more careful in terms of how I use it. But it's still a really pretty piece, and the reason why I really love this is the shading and the blending that happened there. See? I hope it dries like that. Super pretty.